Here are the top 5 horrifying facts about space. Number 5, the sound of space. In the vacuum of space, there's no sound at all. If you screamed out there, no one, not even a ship next to you, would hear you. Number 4, rogue planets. Billions of worlds drift in total darkness with no sun, no light, no life, waiting to crash into something. Number 3, gamma ray bursts. They come from deep space, and one could vaporize Earth in seconds, and we would never be able to see it coming. Number 2, black holes cross the event horizon, and even time itself is swallowed. Number 1, the heat death of the universe. One day, all stars will fade, all matter will decay, and space will become a frozen graveyard forever. Subscribe or a gamma ray burst will hit your house right now. A galaxy suddenly went missing, and nobody knows how. Billions of stars, a bright core, everything normal. Then a few years later, it was gone. No explosion, no black hole big enough to swallow it. Just an empty patch of darkness where a galaxy used to be. Some scientists think it slipped behind a massive dark matter curtain. But the scariest theory, it didn't vanish. It slipped into another universe. If a whole galaxy can blink out, what's stopping ours? Subscribe, or you'll be the next one to disappear. This asteroid could be an alien invasion. 3I Atlas, a rare interstellar comet from beyond the stars. It came from deep space, but here's the mystery. Its path is strange, and its speed doesn't fully add up. Could 3I Atlas actually be an alien ship, silently observing us as it drifts by Earth, trolled by little gray men? But one thing's certain, this visitor didn't come from us. Subscribe, or you'll be kidnapped by 3I Atlas. NASA discovered a planet so dark, it barely exists in the light. It's called TRES 2b, a gas giant that reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it. That's darker than coal, darker than black paint. If you were somehow close enough to see it, you wouldn't. You'd just see a vast, empty void, glowing faintly red from its burning atmosphere. Scientists think metallic vapors swallow the light, but no one really knows why it's so dark. It's like the universe made a shadow and called it a planet. Subscribe, or you'll have to live on TRES 2b. What if our universe isn't alone? What if other infinite universes exist right beside us? Scientists believe the multiverse might actually be real. Endless universes, each with their own versions of you. There's evidence they might even be colliding with ours. Cosmic radiation maps show strange cold spots, as if something outside our universe slammed into it. If that's true, another reality already might be pressing against ours, and one day it could break through. Subscribe, or I'm gonna squish you with the universe. Imagine looking into space and seeing nothing. That's the Boots Void, the darkest, emptiest place in the universe. The Boots Void is a massive cosmic hole, and it's so big that there should be millions of galaxies in it. But scientists have found only a few stars and nothing else. It's the ultimate cosmic mystery. Would you stare into the void? Subscribe, or you'll end up in the Boots Void. Space isn't as quiet as you think. NASA has captured sounds from planets and moons, real audio converted from electromagnetic waves, and they're terrifying. Here's a listen. Jupiter's magnetic field roars like a demonic wind. Saturn's rings hum with unnatural ghostly tones. And Pluto, it whispers, cold, distant, and almost alive. If space is speaking, maybe it's not as empty as we thought. Subscribe, or you'll have to live on one of these loud planets. This planet could destroy space itself. Astronomers call it a hyperspace anomaly. It bends light, warps gravity, and drags its own star like space-time is a toy. Some scientists think it's a naked singularity, a place where physics completely break, and anything that gets too close, it just falls out of reality. If this thing ever drifted into our galaxy, the universe around it would peel apart like torn fabric. Subscribe, or you're gonna be thrown in a hyperspace anomaly. This star could obliterate the planet. Meet Betelgeuse, a massive star about 8,000 light years away, and right now it's nearing the end of its life. And when it dies, it'll explode in a supernova so powerful it could unleash a gamma ray burst, one of the deadliest forces in the universe. It could strip away our ozone layer, destroy the atmosphere, and end life as we know it, in all a matter of seconds. Scientists say we're safe, but no one is sure. Space isn't just distant, it's deadly. Subscribe, or Betelgeuse will get thrown at your house. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? The short answer, you don't. As you get close, gravity stretches your body into atoms. They call it spaghettification. Your feet would fall faster than your head, pulling you apart molecule by molecule. To an outside observer, you seem to freeze at the edge, never crossing the event horizon. But from your point of view, you fall into forever darkness. No light, no time, no escape. And maybe you'd see what's on the other side. Subscribe, or I'm gonna throw you in a black hole. Imagine you wake up one morning and the sun is gone. For the first 8 minutes, nothing happens because that's how long sunlight takes to reach Earth. But then, darkness. Total freezing darkness. Oceans would begin to freeze and the sky would turn pitch black. Plants die first, then animals, then us. The planets would drift into space, just cold, endless silence. The sun gives us life, but without it, the universe gives us nothing. Subscribe or you'll be frozen in the next ice age. Is Jupiter's moon Europa hiding something incredible? Beneath its icy surface lies a massive ocean, and where there's water, there could be life. With Europa's massive icy oceans, there could be entire alien megacities deep beneath the sea. We might find out soon, with the probe heading straight there in 2026. Do you think Europa has an alien empire? Subscribe before the Europa aliens find you first.